Hey guys, it's your girl King K, aka King Kelsie, aka Walking Your Authority, with Tarina Botanical's new Papaya Nighttime Glow Routine. I'm going to show you how I went from this to this in one evening. Tarina Botanicals is a Black-owned brand owned by Ashley Torino, and the Papaya line is specifically made for women of color. I'm talking my Latinas, Black sister, yes, all of you with melanin, I'm talking to you. If you're looking to brighten up your skin, exfoliate, even out your skin tone, if you have hyperpigmentation, dark scars, blemishes, if you are acne prone, if you have oily skin, sensitive skin, or maybe you're just dull and need that no makeup glow when you go out the door, this is for you. So it's time for bed and I'm washing my face. Here's my routine. So let's start with the Papaya Radiant Brightening Facial Cleanser. Tarina Botanicals is made with the highest quality of natural ingredients to give you the most value for your buck. Now you can wash your face one of three ways: with your hands, with a facial tool, or a facial sponge. I prefer a sponge. If you use your facial tool, make sure you're using the exfoliating handle. This cleanser has many active ingredients, one of them being willow bark, which is one of my favorites. My skin is combination oily, so I am slightly a bit acne prone. Willow bark contains salicylic acid, which means it's anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, so it's going to alleviate any problem acne and any inflammation that you might receive. The papaya leaf extract that's in this wash is full of vitamin A, C, and alpha hydroxy acid, leaving you with brighter skin, acne, wrinkle, and dark spot fighting ingredients. It has green tea, vitamin B, and vitamin E. Green tea giving you that antioxidant and anti-aging clean skin, and the vitamins balance out that skin tone. I prefer a sponge only because I like to add my own pressure. My skin holds a lot of oils and dirt, even though I'm combination and I'm not fully oily, so I like to give a little bit more squeeze. I know, everybody's like, you're supposed to rinse your face with water after you use this product. Well, what about your estheticians? Are they dousing your face with water when they wipe your face off? No, they have very sanitized towels that they clean your face off with, right? So that's exactly what I'm using. Next is the Papaya Glow Brightening Tonic, which is stronger than a toner, but can also be used as a toner. The natural fruit enzymes break down dead skin cells and inactive proteins that leave the skin looking dull and dry, rejuvenating the skin and keeping it hydrated. The green tea extract helps with elasticity and protecting the skin from UV rays. This tonic also has witch hazel and aloe in it to give you that pH balance that you need after washing your face and making sure that your skin is hydrated. Niacinamide is a vitamin B3 that rejuvenates and brightens the skin, creating cell turnover for a new glow. This tonic is basic for prepping the skin for serums and oils that you're gonna put on after, so don't wait too long after you spray it on to do that. Next, we have our brightening and exfoliating glow serum. This serum is gel-based and full of hyaluronic acid. If you don't know anything about hyaluronic acid, it's one of the natural key ingredients for creating and producing moisture within the skin. This serum has absolutely no oils. Our skin is acidic, and because this serum is a little bit lower than the skin, this will allow for a cell renewal and cell turnover, giving you a more brightful and vibrant, younger glow. To balance that lower pH is a higher level of willow bark, which again is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, making sure that you don't receive any negative reactions to the lower pH. Licorice root to fade those nasty spots, and shiitake mushrooms for anti-aging properties. Sugar extract, blueberry extract, and aloe for a gentle yet very effective glow. And if you didn't know, Licorice root also helps to balance your oils. And yes, all 3 of these products still have papaya extract in it, which fights acne, dark spots, and wrinkles, giving you a brighter glow. This elixir is full of amazing essential oils that give your skin the benefits of youth. Lavender for anti-scarring, frankincense for anti-aging, rose hip seed oil to stimulate the production of collagen in the skin that we actually stop producing after a certain age and correct hyperpigmentation in the skin, as well as many other skin conditions. Sea buckthorn oil is full of omega fatty acids like 3, 6, 7, and 9. These acids are optimal for the repair and function of the skin itself that our body does not produce. The beta carotenoids, which gives this serum its orange color, helps to plump and hydrate the skin while protecting it from UV damage. There's other amazing oils in this serum like jojoba, which is the closest to our own natural sebum oils, which help to balance the pH of skin. Vitamin E, geranium, smells like roses, and neroli. Use 3 to 5 drops of this amazing serum. For you're not just investing in a product, you're investing in yourself. I absolutely love this line because the ingredients and the nutrition is there. I am a total naturalist for products and ingredients and making sure that things actually work for the skin. Now, if you are new to this line, it may take your skin a week or 2 to get used to it. That's absolutely fine. If you're oily, this is perfect for you. If you're combination oily like I am, maybe use it every so often with the exfoliating. But for me, I have like super deep pores. My skin holds a lot of dirt and oil, so this is perfect for an everyday night routine. If you're acne prone, the witch hazel and the willow bark, all those great anti-inflammatory properties and antibacterial properties are going to help balance your oil production and your pH in your skin. And I know sometimes when we're tanning and going outside, etc., we can end up with a tan, and then when we start lightening up in the fall, we end up with multiple tones. This is going to help your skin keep an even tone as you lighten up or even get darker. Did I mention that they smell good? Like, they smell amazing. Can you imagine smelling your face all night as you go to sleep? It's literally aromatherapy. All right, y'all, it's time for me to go to bed, like for real. I'll see y'all later. If you guys want to get these products, look for the information down below. I have a link and a coupon code for you right here. Don't waste any more time. Get these products. Terreno Botanicals also has other lines that are absolutely incredible. Invest in your skin, invest in yourself, and invest in Black-owned businesses. I'll see you guys later. Bye.